Hi, in this video, let's see how segmentation, targeting and positioning can be applied to digital marketing. Philip Kotler defines segmentation as a market segment consists of a group of customers who share a similar set of needs and wants. In digital marketing, one can target very narrow set of customers. There is a saying in traditional marketing, half of advertising is waste, but we don't know which half. But thankfully in digital, there's no wastage because you can precisely reach only those you want to target. Essentially, what is segmentation? It is dividing heterogeneous population into smaller homogeneous groups which are similar in characteristics. The targeted segment basically should respond better to marketing stimuli than the general population, as the marketing mix will be more customized to the chosen segment. Although there are numerous variables for segmenting customers, but we can broadly classify them into geographic, demographic, psychographic, and behavioral. Identifying each of these segments in a digital marketplace is very different from conventional marketing. For example, the location of the customer can be accurately collected by the GPS location of the handheld device used by the customer. Demographic details of the customer is provided by the customer himself when he signs up for getting weekly email updates or offers from the company. Social media platform can be a source of finding customers in different psychographic clusters. For an online market, purchase history or latest search keywords typed by the customer as a query can be used to identify the behavioral segment. If we look at each of these 4 clusters in more detail, we have geographic, wherein you can do radius targeting. If you're a hyper-local business, you can target people who are in the vicinity of say 1 mile or 2 mile radius. You can even target people based on PIN code. This can help in increasing footfalls to your store. We can look at an interesting example for geographic targeting. Imagine that you are in a crowded subway. In such a situation, you are more likely to check your mobile phone to avoid interaction with the strangers around you. So this is a good time to send promotional messages to you since you are more likely to read it. Another important variable for segmenting the customers is demographic. Here you can have variables like age, gender, job title. Job title in fact is one of the most sought after segmentation variables, or seniority. So whether you are at mid-management position or senior level or founder or owner of the company. Another interesting variable is say function. So do you work in marketing function or operations or finance and so on. So numerous variables are now possible thanks to social media, wherein lot of information about demographic variables is captured. For instance, you want to target people who are postgraduates or who have done a professional course. So you want to target doctors or chartered accountants. Now that targeting is possible. Or you want to target people who possess a certain skill set. For example, those who are website designers or who are graphic designers or videographers. Now it's possible to target them. Or marital status. So are you single, married, in a relationship, or size of household, and so on. So very precise demographic targeting is possible in today's age. The third segmentation variable is psychographic. It is largely based on interest profiling, based on your conduct and behavior on social media. So which groups do you join? Which pages do you follow on Facebook or Instagram? What type of videos do you see? What type of content that you like? And do you engage more with lead forms or do you engage more with other type of video content. So that type of targeting can be done based on users' behavior on social media, and psychographic profile is developed. An interesting example is an app called Better Half. It uses data from users' LinkedIn profile and other social media sites and analyzes the profile in terms of 6 relationship dimensions. So, emotional, social, relationship, intellectual, physical, and moral values, and then it tries to find a match. So, the possibilities of targeting the right people based on psychographic or interest is immense in today's world of social media. The last variable we have for segmentation is behavioral. So, based on what actions people are performing online, what queries they are typing in the search engine, which websites they are browsing. So, cookies are dropped whenever you visit a website, and these cookies, they keep a trail of your online behavior, and then they try to develop your profile based on online behavior. So, if you are visiting too many sites related to automobile, and if you are also booking a travel ticket online, and if you are also visiting, say, a mutual fund website, that means you are interested in automobile, and plus you also have the money to buy an automobile car. So then you may be categorized as being in the target market for buying an automobile based on online behavior that you have demonstrated. Another interesting aspect to your online behavior targeting is by analyzing the visitors that come to your website but who don't buy. So they may place certain items in the cart, but users may abandon the cart. So you can remarket to them, and you can also do a dynamic remarketing wherein you can show ads which are having the same product that the user visited on the website and remind them and maybe nudge them towards purchasing by giving them an offer or giving them some promotional incentive. Another very interesting targeting for online behavior is CRM. So, if you are able to integrate your CRM targeting with the cookie data, you can do a lot of cross-sell and upsell. You already have your own email IDs or phone numbers, and when these people, they are surfing internet for some related product, you can do a cross-sell. A very good example of behavioral targeting is developing a look-alike modeling based on your best customers. So your CRM targeting shows purchase behavior of your customers. So they have either purchased from you, or they may have interacted with you by coming to the website, or they may have seen your videos, or they may have engaged with your post. Either you can target the same people with a different marketing objective. So if they have engaged with your video, now you can ask them to like your page, or you can ask them to visit the website. Once people have visited the website, you can ask them to download and to submit a lead form. And if you don't want to target same people, then you can go for lookalike targeting. This will help you to expand your target market. So what is lookalike targeting? Basically, it's targeting people who have similar characteristics to the people who have already shown affinity to your business. And this is made possible with the help of AI, machine learning, and big data. Lookalike modeling is more accurate in predicting people who are more likely to purchase, because you are modeling them based on your best customers, based on customers who have very high customer lifetime value. And this can ensure that your marketing is giving a better ROI. Once you've segmented the customers, you can choose the market which is likely to give you better returns and better results. Now, next step is positioning the product in the eyes of the customer. Here, Digital comes to the rescue because you need not have same positioning for all the customers. You can customize the messaging and positioning that you want to portray. For example, OYO, which is positioned as a young hotel brand and a budget hotel. This positioning of OYO might not be interesting for a business traveler. So what OYO can do is present itself to a business traveler as a centrally located business hotel. And this will help in attracting different segments. I hope that demystifies the segmentation, targeting and positioning in the context of digital marketing. Please do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also comment below. Do visit the website profseema.com. Thank you.